Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Hypertension management, and we're looking at the AHA guidelines, that is the American Heart Association. So as per the AHA guidelines 2019, so we're looking at the 2019 guidelines. So there has to be pharmacological treatment. So there is a pharmacological treatment, and this treatment, if you see, it has to be given in patients who have greater than 10. So patients who have greater than 10, so greater than equal to 10% estimated 10 year, who have greater than 10% estimated 10 year, so 10 year of ASVD. So 10 year of ASVD risk. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.